I doubt you are from Zerodha.
Sir,
You're not from Zerodha, I think.
Oh, no, sir.
Good morning.
This is from Zerodha.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Star to copy this song for free. For unlimited free songs, dial 5670.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is from Zerodha.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have issued one complaint, sir, in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Sir.
Sir, actually, I applied for the IPO.
Okay.
This one, UPI request came for authorization. I gave the authorization, but it got failed.
Yeah. Sir, can you please confirm your ID, sir?
The client ID.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Can you explain, sir, what you done, sir? What is your issues? Confirm your issues, sir.
No, in a console, I have applied. I have bid.
Okay.
Then after around 1 hour, I think UPI request came.
Okay.
I gave the authorization,
Okay.
but it got failed.
Okay.
I have the screenshot. It got failed.
Yeah,
But
sir.
then even I tried to delete the bid, but it was not accepting delete.
Okay.
And I was checking my bank account, and the same amount got freezed.
Oh, okay. Which bank you are approved, sir? Can you tell your full name, sir? Sir, your PAN card number? Hello, sir.
Yeah. No, after all telling this, you can't get my PAN card number.
We should confirm, sir. So.
No, I'm not. I
Okay, sir. No issues. Okay, no problem, sir. Okay, we have approved your issue, sir. But we have one doubt, sir. Because we don't claim that money, sir.
Sorry?
We didn't get that money. You have sent now, sir. We didn't reach that.
You won't get money. It will be freezed, right?
Yeah, it freezed, but we have no bank issues.
What is your name?
Bank details.
What is your name?
What, sir?
What is your name?
Manish, sir. We are customer care. So we can't we can't help you, sir.
What do you mean by that? No, you can't help me in the sense like.
But no, not like that, sir. You have not approved properly.
You mean not approved properly means applied properly means?
Yeah, you have done in WhatsApp approved na, sir.
Sorry?
You have approved na, sir. It's not properly. It's not in form of word. So we can't help you, sir.
In form of what?
It's not in form, sir.
Not in form in the sense what? See, what is the process you tell me?
Yeah. Means you have approved that your ID and all the details, full details, PAN card, etc. It's not properly, sir. You have done some mistake.
What kind of mistakes? Tell me. What is the mistake you tell me?
You didn't give your bank details properly.
I didn't get
And
you.
also PAN card number also you didn't give properly that. We can't.
I need not to give, right? See, when I applying from the console, it will automatically fetching, right?
Yeah.
There is no what you can say. There is no option of. I doubt you are from Zerodha.
Sir,
You're not from Zerodha, I think.
Oh no, sir. What are you talking, sir? We need to confirm your ID, sir. Now.
Okay,
Your
I
PAN
have told
card
my
ID.
right?
You are not telling that, but it's okay. Now.
Okay, you put me a mail. I'll reply to it.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Sure. I will put, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಜನ ಎಪ್ಪರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂಚ ನೋಡುತ್ತೀನಿ
ಇದು ನಾನು
For unlimited free songs, dial 56700. Namaskara.
Hello.
Hello, Sachin, no sir?
Yes.
We have called now, sir. Sir, you have not approved properly, sir, that bid.
What do you mean by not applied properly means?
You have not applied properly that bid, sir. So we can't help you, sir. Very sorry.
Okay. Your name?
Manish, sir.
Manish, sir.
Manish.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it.
Hello, what, sir?
I got your name as.
Who, sir, that one?
No, I don't know.
Who is that, sir? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, sir?
Yeah, you mail me first. Whatever
Yes.
details you have, you mail me from Zerodha.
Okay, sir.
Hello sir, this is from Janith Vlogs YouTube channel.
Yeah, I got to know. ఇంకొత్త నల్ల జాండ్రి
ఇవన్న కర్మ మరి ఇవన్న ఇంగ్లీష్ యా
100% knowledge ఇప్పుడు నాకు చదువుతుంది.
ಬೇಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಹೋದೆ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜುಲ್ಟ ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ
ಪಪ್ಪು ಅನ್ನ ನಿಜ
ಅಪ್ಪು ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ಏನೋತೊಂದು
ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್
ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅಂಚ ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಚಾಡ
ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಚೆಂಕ ಆಯ್ತಾರು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಪಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಡಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಪಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೇನ್ ಜರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಾರ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾವ್ರ
ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನದ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡದು
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಹಾಂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಬರು ಅಂಕಲ್ ಐತೆ ನಾ ಪಿದಾಡ್ದು ಬರ್ಪಂಚಿ
ಹೌದು
ಸೊ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸರ್
ಹೌದು
Bye, bye.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್